Presentation on exploratory research. The context. I am working at Mandapashar Primary School, Peddapallipalayam of Chinaganjam, Prakasam District, Andhra Pradesh. Medium of instruction is Telugu and English. For the present study, I have selected students of 5th class. In this, 7 boys and 6 girls were included for the present study. The classroom issue. Most of the students of class 5 were hesitant to speak in English, but they were good at the other skills. Few children were very active and was good in speaking, but they were not responding individually in the classroom. This was the problem that I felt in class 5. Exploratory research questions that I framed. What are the different factors that affect students in speaking when they are in the classroom? What are the activities do their parents take? What are the opinions of the other teachers about this problem? How do I motivate my students to speak individually in English? How can I improve my students' speaking ability? What strategies can provide for the students to improve their ability? What are the techniques, resources, or teaching tools adopted by other teachers to develop speaking skills or ability among their students? Data collection and analysis. For present study, both qualitative and quantitative methods were used. Qualitative data are based on the numbers and figures, whereas quantitative data are the abstract ideas or responses that we collect. The data was collected from students, parents of the students, teachers in our school, teachers from different states and an island who participated with me in the 30-day online CELT in service training course and from experts in the field. I conducted pre-test for the students and checked their proficiency in speaking English. I prepared questionnaire for my students, questionnaire for their parents, group discussion for teachers from different states of India. I took interview of experts in the fields of education was also collected. A pre-test was conducted to the students. Pre-test on speaking skill in English. General introduction part 1. Introducing about yourself. Introduce about your family members. Talk about your relatives. Tell me why did you want to study in an English medium? Tell me about your hobbies. Describing the picture. Findings. Collecting data from the students. Fear on to speak in English. Fear about mistakes. Lack of vocabulary. Using incomplete sentences. Lack of parent support. Comments of the children were hurting when they speak in English. Shyness. Lack of using English language at home. Lack of interest. Collecting data from the teachers. I asked some teachers about the speaking problems among the students in their classrooms. What are the strategies they use to overcome this problem? How the strategies are useful? Are the parents support to implement your strategies? How they were cooperated? Collecting data from the subject experts. I was also able to conduct interview with the subject experts like Nanduri Subbarao Garu, psychologist, Nalini teacher, educationalist, Venugopal, SRP Telangana, Srinivas Garu, Gampa Naisarao Garu, psychologist, Sudharani teacher, and Kamala Ruth, retired teacher. Where there is a will, there is a way. Do better than yesterday. Use more resources or learning tools to speak children in English. Speaking about general topics which they have interest. Take random topics. Self motivation is an essential requirement to improve speaking skills. Practice is more important. Use child centric approaches, language games. Create simple situations for creating speaking environment. Collecting data from the parents and students. Parents wanted to see when their child speak in English, but they don't have knowledge in English. They don't have time to focus on their studies, but they're ready to spend some time for their children. They promised to watch English talk shows, cartoons, and movies. They promised to provide an opportunity to watch half an hour TV shows based on. Students are very interested in speaking English. They are ready to work out on it. Observations. My observations after collecting the data, most of the teachers and subject experts suggested student centric method. Need to create simple situations to promote speaking. Need to include language games. Need to give priority peer and group discussions in regular teaching. Need to provide an opportunity for active participation of children in regular classroom. Need to decrease teacher speaking time and increase student speaking time in regular classroom. Action plan. Activities taken for my action research. Language game. Creating simple situations. Group discussions. Increasing the student speaking time. Picture description. Taking parent support. Maintaining a register for each student to record their progress. This is the action plan for 3 months. Students from Standard 5 MPP School, Peddapallipalayam of Chinaganyam, Prakasam District, Andhra Pradesh, and the teacher Anantalakshmi. Of the students who participated in the questionnaire part. Teachers represented from various states of our country. Teachers represent experts who gave their valuable suggestions. Research question for action research. How can I improve the speaking skill of my students of Standard 5 at MPP School, Peddapallipalayam of Chinaganyam, Prakasam District, Andhra Pradesh, using picture description, creating simple situations, simple to complex task in speaking, group discussions, role play, storytelling. Thank you.